Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're gonna do the aprés system on my left hand. Let me put my volume down because we're gonna keep getting notifications. Okay, so I'm gonna use all these right here, the bonder, the primer, if I can take it out, the extend gel, and I am gonna use the top coat. The file, I already used it yesterday, but I didn't like how the video turned out. And I don't think I'm gonna use this little lamp because the nails are so long and I think it's gonna be real hard to put in to use this, so I'm just gonna leave that in there, and then I'm gonna use these tips. Okay, so first we're gonna start off by, I'm gonna follow this right here, the instructions, but except I'm going to size up all my fingers, and then I'm going to do number 6 first, because I just don't think it makes any sense to prep your nails and apply the bonder, the primer, and then do a thin layer of the extend gel and then cure it. Okay, I'm going to tell you how what it says on here. It says prep your nails using a gel manicure prep method on natural nails. So that would be push back your cuticles. If you have cuticles, clean them, whatever, clean it up, push all the prep. And then you would apply the bonder, the primer, a thin layer of the extend gel, cure it, and then you file under the surface of the nail. So this is where I think it should have been, like, the first step is to prep your nails. I think the first step should have been size up the tips and then prep them like this, the underside, and then start all this process. So that's how I'm going to do it, and then after I do this step 6 first, I'm going to follow the rest. The number 2 fits perfectly fine. You want to make sure it fits from sidewall to sidewall. These have really, really deep, let's see if I can show you. This part right here is super high, the apex area, and mine now is like fairly flat. It's not that high. I don't have that much of an apex, so I don't know if I'm gonna have to fill that in with a whole bunch of gel, but we'll figure it out. So this one fits good. So I'm just gonna place some right here. Two, 6, maybe the 5, 2, 6, 4, 5, and I believe my pinky should be a 8. So I'm gonna etch the inside of all 5 nails, and when I'm done with this one, I'm gonna go to the rest. So I'm not gonna show that just to save time, so the video won't be so long. So just continue to do this to all 5 nails. I don't know what happened to the part of me pushing back cuticles. I think it deleted on accident. So I pushed back my cuticles, and after I did that, I took a lint-free wipe and I cleansed my nails with alcohol, and then I got the prep and I did that all over my nails, and now I'm gonna do the primer. So this is this step right now, me adding the primer. So now I'm going to prop my LED lamp on top of 2 boxes. That way it'll be high up. This is the way I found worked for me. I tried using that little lamp that came with this system, but the nails were too long and it's too low. And it was like super hard for me to press the button, put my finger in, try not to move the nail. This is the way I found work easier for me. What I would do was I put it on top of here before I cured the nail. I pressed 30 seconds and I pressed 60 seconds, and then while the light was on, I put the nail in on my finger, and then I would move my hand to the lamp. You'll see that process right now in the video. Okay, so now I'm going to take the Extend Gel and I'm going to add it to the cuticle area like so. You're just going to put quite a bit at the cuticle area. That's all you have to do. And then we're going to take it and put it on the finger like this, and then just take it to the lamp. You want to make sure it's straight before putting it under the LED lamp, because if it's not and it cures, it's going to be crooked. And let me tell you, I've tried twice to do these, and those 2 times they came out a little bit crooked. But if you keep working at it, you'll get it. So hold it under there for 30 seconds. Don't let go, because if you let go, it will get air bubbles if it's not fully cured. And that happened to me a few times. But other than that, I think it was fairly easy using this system. And it was easier to prop up my LED lamp on something high. That way it'll be easier to put my hand in, because these nails are super long. These are the longest nails I've ever had. So this is how it cured. I think it came out good. I didn't get any air bubbles in this one. So now I'm going to go to my next nail, and I'm going to do the same thing on the rest of my fingers. So now I'm just going to do a final cure for all of the nails. As you can see here, I did speed these last clips up a lot, so that way the video won't be so long. So this is how they turned out. I did like how they look. I did get air bubbles in a few of them, but in my next video, I'm going to cover that with a design, and that's going to be a Christmas design. So these are pretty sturdy. I do feel them on there real good. They do feel strong. They don't bend or anything. I do feel like they're kind of long. They're a little bit longer than what I usually get. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!